Hi guys, today I received this outdoor wall light for viewing purposes. Let's open it up. First thing we see is the pieces that we're gonna need to use wiring and installation, which I think that it's nice. As you can see, it comes really well protected with foam. Even it comes in this kind of like protecting bag. We have right here the user manual with all the steps to install it, which I think that it's nice. Okay, and this is the main unit. Okay. It's ideal for outdoors, and I think that it's gonna be really nice. Okay, it has a candle like the scent that I think that it's really great. Okay, it sits right here, and it even has the light bulbs included. It uses two E12 based light bulbs, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's place them on. This is how it looks with the light bulbs, and it seems like a really easy installation. So let's go ahead and place them on. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation process is actually really simple. It doesn't take that much long, and the instructions are really clear. And I like a lot this outdoor light fixture because it has a heavy duty die-cast aluminum construction, making it really nice for outdoors, and it has even a rust resistant powder coat finish, and it is IP44 rate, so it can be outdoors and withstand rain, snow, humidity, even extreme temperature fluctuations, which I think that it's great. This light fixtures has a tempered glass and an open top design that creates ambient uplighting, and I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, it has a really great appeal, and it's perfect for a wide range of patio, porch, doorway, even your garage. You can place it at your backyard, in a hallway or entryway, and so on. Okay, these exterior sconces can add a touch of sophistication to any outdoor space that you want to be a little bit more appealing, which I think that it's gonna be really nice where you want to place it. And overall, I think that it's really great. As I've said, it was really easy to install, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.